Yeah. Thanks, sweetie. What is that?
It's $1.
It's $20.
$20?
$20 to go shopping. What's on the front of the card?
Wow.
Who's that from?
It's a bunny.
Yeah.
Wow.
Who's the card from? Grandma and Poppy.
It's for Grandma and Poppy.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Are you so excited?
Here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Come. I can't wait for this present. Mommy?
Yeah.
Is Papa and Poppy's going to come over?
When he's feeling better.
Oh, he's feeling better?
Yep, he's getting better.
He's sick, Mommy. He's sick.
Oh, he's sick, all right.
Yeah. I think he wants his present.
You think he loves that present?
Yeah. I think. Look, it's a bear.
Yeah, look, you can take the ears off and wear them. Oopsie.
I can't wear them. They're too small.
Oh, because why? Do we have ginormous head?
Yeah.
Well,
It's a bear.
well, it's a bunny. Now it's a bear. It's okay. Sure. Look, you want to wear them? Here, you can put it on your head and have bunny ears. Can I try? All right, well, tell Grandma and Poppy thank you for the card. Okay. You're welcome. Yeah. Okay, Miss, you need to say thank you to Grandma and Poppy.
Thank you.
And say, I love you.
I love you.
Get better.
Get better.
Happy Easter.
Happy